students, welcome and welcome back. In this video I will discuss the Ielts writing task 1. Before starting, let me tell you about some key points which you have to remember, which are very basic points. Okay, so the first thing is that this task is of 3 bands and you have to attempt it only in 20 minutes. The word limit for this is 150 to 180 words. And let's talk about the format also. Firstly, you have to write the introduction, then its overview, and next is the body. I will discuss all these things in detail in this video. There are 5 types of task 1. The first one is line graph, bar graph, pie chart, table, or picture chart. Picture chart can be of 2 types. It can be map, single or dual, flow chart, and process chart. You have to describe any of these in your task 1. I will tell you in detail about all these tasks in my upcoming videos. Okay, so now let's discuss how to write task 1 for academic Ielts. There are 6 main steps in the format. The one which I told you before. The first one is introduction. What you have to do in introduction is you have to paraphrase the statement. You have to write this given statement in your own words in 2 to 3 lines. Do not copy the same statement because it will not be counted. Now let's talk about an overview. What is an overview? An overview is a big picture of all the details. Whatever is given you in the picture or in the statement, you have to give a proper overview of all those things in 2 to 3 lines or in 20 to 30 words. Now let's move on towards the body. The body has 2 paragraphs normally. You have to use only 5 to 6 lines for each paragraph. What you have to do in the body is you have to identify the main trends and values. Now, how to identify the trends? What are trends? Before starting writing the body of task 1, we have to identify the main trends and values in the given data so that we can group the data properly. Now, how to identify the trends? In case of trends, we have to look for only the increasing or decreasing trends. What type of trends you can identify in the given picture? Are they increasing or decreasing? For example, if we are given the chart about the income of the people of a particular country, income is increasing, then it will be of increasing trends and values, and if the income is decreasing, then it will be of decreasing trends and values. Okay, in the same way we have to identify the trends. So the next step is grouping of the data according to the similarities or dissimilarities. In simple words, it means similar figures would be put into one group and rest in the opposite group. After that, we have to describe the figures group wise, normally in different paragraphs. The next step is write main features or summary. The main features and summary means we do not have to write each and everything, we just have to write the main features or as a summary. Here I would like to give you a tip on how to select or identify the main features. The main features can be identified from the beginning of the period, or drastic or noticeable changes or fluctuation or turning points, or at the end of the period you can also find the main features. Here I have written all those things: beginning, turning points, and at the end point. Okay. Step 6 is relevant comparisons. A relevant comparison means the comparisons which are required and necessary, and not comparing each and everything. Normally we can make comparisons in the beginning of the period, or where the drastic changes or the fluctuations have happened, or at the end of the period. You do not have to make comparisons of each and everything. Okay. So students, this was all about the writing task 1. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the comments down below. Thank you so much. Good luck.